Ciao beautiful people! Today we're gonna make a delicious cake. It has a name that might sound familiar, torta di mele, which literally means apple pie, but the result is very different. This version is soft and has a bold lemon flavor and a warm smell of cinnamon. It tastes like summer breakfast here in Italy. To make this delicious cake, you're gonna need 4 large eggs at room temperature, 180 milliliters of vegetable oil, which is 3/4 of a cup, 200 milliliters of milk, which is 3/4 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons, 280 grams of all-purpose flour, which is 2 plus 1/2 of a cup, 30 grams of potato starch, which is 1/4 of a cup, 16 grams of baking powder, which is 1 tablespoon, 200 grams of sugar, which is about 1 cup, zest of 1 lemon, cinnamon as you want, 20 grams of burnt sugar, and we're gonna need also 4 apples. Let's start by peeling the apple.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that you have your peeled apples, you could cut into pieces or slice them. I will slice them. Cut them just like this. Now that we have our slices, we can throw them into a bowl. Here's the lemon juice. With a spoon, just mix it a little bit and pour the sugar inside. Okay, mix it. And now, if you like the cinnamon, you can add it. I really love the cinnamon. Let's see. You know that in Italy we call the cinnamon cannella? I'm gonna put it a little bit more. Okay, this is done. We can put this on the fridge and we can start to do the batter.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Let's take a bowl and our beloved electric mixer. Let's start by cracking the eggs. And pour. Take the sugar and pour inside of it. Now we're gonna mix for about 10 minutes until it's fluffy and pale. We're gonna start from a low speed and then we're going to increase. Once the batter is nice and airy, start putting in the milk and the oil gradually. With the help of a whisk, we're going to pour inside the oil and the milk. In this way, the batter will absorb the oil. Now the milk. Now we're gonna mix the starch and the baking powder into the flour. And now, with the help of a spoon, we're going to mix this because it's time to sift. It's also time to preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, in static mode. Okay, let's continue. Just pour all the flour inside. Now we can gently fold in the sifted flour inside our batter. So let's do it. Perfect. This is the consistency that you want, really smooth. Hello to our apple. A little bit of lemon zest. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna take a round baking tray.
10 seconds later.
Here is my tray. With some butter, I'm going to grease. But if you have the spray, it's okay too. Now we can pour in the mixture. Now we can decorate the top of the cake with your sliced apple. Okay, perfect. Now, if you want, you can sprinkle with some brown sugar. This makes it look beautiful and adds an extra flavor. Let's bake it for about 30-50 minutes. And here it is, our beautiful and delicious torta di mele. So soft, fragrant, and full of love. I'm gonna slice it because I wanna try it. And ta-da! Here's the apple and the super soft cosa, impasto. Here's the apple and the super soft texture. So good! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Italian baking lessons, sweet tips, and authentic flavor from my kitchen to yours. Ciao and see you next time!